Come on, auto. There we go. That's alfalfa. He has a crest. Somebody asked about what I know about crested. Here's what I know. They're trying to develop budgie-style crested birds. There are a few pitfalls to be had there and some mythology that I've debunked. So here's a few things to know about breeding crested budgies. First of all, getting size is a real issue. Second of all, there's a mythology that you can only breed a crested bird to a crest-bred bird. That is not true. That is true in canaries. And somebody somewhere along the line started saying if you breed two crested birds together, you'll get something deformed or retarded or something. That is not true of budgies. It is true of canaries, but it is not true of crested budgies. So I bred this crested male to my crested hen, and I got a whole bunch of perfectly normal, well-formed babies with awesome crests on them. And then they all got French mold. But again this spring. So that is one thing. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't breed two crested birds together. And when you do, you will get better results as far as the baby's crests. However, to get size on it, you have to outbreed your crested. So what I'm doing is I'm going to breed these two crested birds together and get babies that have a lot. The crested mutation has more than one gene that makes it. So I'm going to outbreed them and get a lot of babies that have a lot of crested genes in them, so that when I outbreed them, I won't lose the mutation completely. And I'm going to outbreed them to large birds. So that's my plan. Another thing that I know about cresteds is their genetics work like a double Punnett square. So if you want to understand, a regular Punnett square with straight dominant and recessive doesn't work because it takes two traits or two genes to make a crested bird. So you have to do a Punnett square with two traits and 16 squares in order to figure out how the genetics play. And just treat it as crested gene A and crested gene B. So generally your inheritance goes at 30% or 60% instead of 25, 50, 25. For those of you who do Mendelian genetics. The other thing I know about cresteds is most of them are really parakeets. There's a lot of people trying to get the crest onto budgie-sized birds. As you can see, this guy clearly is not that. He's clearly half budgie. He weighs about 53 grams or something like that. But he has no feather. The only reason I'm breeding him to my girl is because he's the only thing I could get. So my girl is a lot bigger than him. She weighs 65 grams, but she doesn't have as big of a crest. So I needed a male with a good hefty crest, and he's got one. The other thing is there are crests on the front of the bird's head and crests on the back of the bird's head. The minute you start putting budgie-type feather like that, with the big poof on the top of the head, on a crest that's on the back of the head, it disappears. The feathers just lay down on top of it and it's gone. So you have to, it seems to me that you have to concentrate on crests that are towards the front of the head where it won't instantly get pushed down when I put some feather on it. See what I mean? So he has a crest in the front. My hen also has a tuft right above her nares. And that's exactly what I want them to have. None of this crest on the back of the head thing that's not working. So that's what I know about cresteds.